Almighty Allah. Here I am Laila Arjuman, lecturer in English, Milestone College. Welcome you all in our today's online class. My dear learners, I know all of you are waiting for opening your school, but you cannot go there. I wish one day you must be go there, but till then you need to read in your home. Today I am here to take your English class. So at first I will watch a video clips, then you can guess what is our today's topics. So let's see the video clips. My dear students, can you guess what is our today's topics is? Yes, it is World Heritage. Do you know what do you mean by heritage? Heritage means that we inherit from the past, live with in the present, and then pass to our children or to our future generation. So let's discuss our today's topics. Before going to our topics, at first we know what is the learning outcome of these topics and the word meaning of the new words from these passages. So let's go through these topics. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this unit, we will be able to listen for specific information, read and understand text through silent reading, ask and answer questions, describe a place. Word meaning of the new words of this passage. Heritage, that means inheritance or tradition. Inherit, to receive something from somebody. Unique, unparalleled. Inspiration, that means encouragement. Dense, heavy. Outskirts, outer parts of a town. Warrior, that means fighter. Infrastructure, that means architecture. Reveal, expose. Monument, memorial. Interior, that means inside. Arch, a carved symmetrical structure. Ventilation, the provision of fresh air. Slender, thin or slim. Habitable, fit to live in. The Shad Gambuz Mosque. Heritage is what we inherit from the past, live with them in the present, and then pass on to our children or future generation. Our unique source of life and inspiration is our cultural and natural heritage. When we speak of World Heritage, it indicates places and sites that we got from the past and pass on to the future generation of the entire world. The ষাট Gambuz Mosque in Bagherhat is such a heritage. It became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. Originally, the historic mosque city was known as Khalifatabad. It is situated at the outskirts of Bagherhat town, not very far from the dense mangrove forest of the Sundarbans. Khalifatabad was a Muslim colony. It was founded by the Turkish general, a saint warrior, Ulugh Khan Jahan, in the 15th century. The infrastructure of the city reveals significant technical skills in many mosques as well as early Islamic monuments. Baked bricks are used for the construction of the buildings. The planning of the city is distinctly dominated by Islamic architecture, and the decorations are a combination of Mughal and Turkish architecture. Khan Jahan built a network of roads, bridges, public buildings, and reservoirs to make the city habitable. There are about 360 mosques in the city. Among them, the most remarkable is the multi-domed ষাট Gambuz Mosque. The mosque is unique in the sense that it has 60 pillars that support the roof, with 77 low-height domes. The four towers at four corners have smaller domes on the roof as well. The vast prayer hall has 11 arched doorways on the east and 7 each on the north and south for light and ventilation. It has 7 edges running along the length of the mosque and 11 deep curves between the slender stone columns. These columns support the curving arches created by the domes. The thickness of the arches is 6 feet and have slightly narrowing hollow and round wall. The west wall in the interior has 11 mihrabs. Mihrab means niche in mosque pointing towards Mecca. These mihrabs are decorated with stonework and terracotta. The floor of the mosque is made of brick. Besides being used as a prayer hall, Khan Jahan used the mosque as his court also. Today, it is one of the greatest tourist attractions and one of the best architectural beauties of Bangladesh. My dear students, now I will show you how you can write the answer of MCQ and question answer. You know that from this passage you will get 7 MCQ and 5 question answer. 7 MCQ contains 7 marks. That means each question contains 1 marks. So for 7 multiple choice question, you will get 7 marks. Then you will get 5 question. And for these 5 questions, each question contains 2 marks, and so the total marks is 5 to the 10. That means total 17 numbers you can get from this passage. This is the first passage of your question paper. My dear students, let's practice some multiple choice question from this passage. My first question is, the word habitable in the context means. The alternatives are number 1, livelihood, 2, fit for human habitation, 3, live on, 4, habituated. The correct answer is fit for human habitation. Dear students, you have to remember that whenever you will write the answer of multiple choice question, no need to write the question. You will write only answer. 2 number question is, the synonym of the word unique is. The alternatives are number 1, incomparable, 2, inspirable, 3, remarkable, 4, supportable. The correct answer is number 1, incomparable. The 3 number question is, the antonym of the word dense is. The alternatives are cubic, rapid, thick, light. The correct answer is number 4, light. 4 number, the word slender refers to thick, dense, large or lean. The correct answer is number 4, lean. 5 number, the word outskirt in the context can be replaced by. The alternatives are suburb, center, corner or outside. The correct answer is number 3, corner. 6. How many gumbuses are there in the mosque in total? The alternatives are 6 or less than 70 or more than 70, 4 more than 80. The correct answer is more than 80. The last question is, Khan Jahan Ali was the original citizen of. The alternatives are Bangladesh or India or Iran or Turkey. The correct answer is Turkey. My dear students, already I have told you that from this passage you will get 5 questions. Each question contains 2 marks. So for this 5 question you will get 5 to the 10 marks. Whenever you write the question answer, you need to remember that at first you will read the full passage. Then you will write the answer. And before writing answer, you need to remember that no need to copy from the passage. You will write the answer by your own words. So now I will practice some question answer. My first question is, what do you understand by World Heritage? The answer is, by World Heritage we understand places and sites that we inherited from the past and pass on to the future generation of the entire world. So by this way we practice the next question answers. The second question is, why is the Shat Gambuz Mosque one of the greatest tourist attractions? The answer is the Shat Gambuz Mosque is one of the greatest tourist attractions because it became a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Third question is, how did Khan Jahan Ali make the city habitable? Answer is, Khan Jahan Ali made the city habitable by building a network of roads, bridges, public buildings and reservoirs. 4 number question is, what is Khalifatabad and who found the city? The answer is, Khalifatabad was a Muslim colony and it was founded by the Turkish general, a saint warrior Ulugh Khan Jahan in the 15th century. My last question is, why is Sundarbans called a mangrove forest? The answer is, the Sundarbans called a mangrove forest because there are millions of mangrove trees in the forest. So, my dear students, by this way you can write the answer of the question from the passage. And you need to try to not to copy from the text. You need to write the answer by your own word. So, that's all for today. If you have any question about this passage or about my lecture, you can ask me anytime. So, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.